Welcome. This video demonstrates features specific to the State StudyBytes program. For a demonstration and overview of features common to all KWare software, please view the introduction video. A maximum of 15 cards make a session. There are approximately 710 cards that are grouped into 6 knowledge categories. They are state flags, state locations, state shapes, state capitals, historical state facts, and general state facts. In addition to the cards, this program has an extensive display of 250 graphs and maps sourced from the U.S. Census Bureau. Many have been digitally enhanced and are displayed on the full computer screen. All of these features will now be shown in more detail. As demonstrated in the introduction video, the session list form provides an ideal way to view up to 50 sessions at one time and navigate to any one of the sessions. Let's look at each of the knowledge categories. There are 4 flag sessions where the flag of each state is displayed and you are asked to name the state. The complete flag is shown in the card and an enlarged detailed image of the flag emblem is displayed on the full screen view. Next are 4 location sessions where the geographic location of each state is shaded in red and you are asked to name the state. The 4 shape sessions ask you to identify each state by its shape. The 4 capital sessions challenge you to name the state capital, or if the card is flipped, to identify the state by the capital name. There are 34 sessions or 510 cards on state facts. The facts sessions tend to be more historical or multi-state answers, and the state facts sessions are more state-specific. Now let's look at some of the 250 U.S. Census data maps and graphs that can be displayed on the full screen. You access the data maps from either the Data Maps button on the card or on the full screen. Let me collapse the directory and close the card to fully display the screen. As you can see, the data maps are divided into 2 broad categories, U.S. data maps and state data maps. Under U.S. data maps, you have regional areas, population, ethnicity, median income, house value, and language. Within population, you have 14 demographic maps. You can move forward or back within the selected category grouping by the data map forward and back buttons, so let's just run through the population maps. Population total, population change, population mean, population median, population center, population cartogram, population migration, population coastal, population gain loss, population age, population density, population size, population congressional representation, and population CBSA, or the core-based statistical area. Within ethnicity, there are ancestry, American Indian, Asian Pacific, Black, and Hispanic demographic maps. And finally, we have median income, house value, and language demographic maps. Under the state data maps, you have a grouping of all state flags and a grouping of all state shapes. For each state, you have a demographic statistical profile, a population by county map, population change by county map, a counties map, and a CBSA regions map. First, we will look at demographic profile charts. Population maps by county, population change by county, state county maps, and finally the CBSA or core-based statistical areas. Since the cards are mixed, you may be asking, what if I only want to study my state and neighboring states in my region and don't want to go through all the other state cards? Not a problem. Just click on the select region and choose your region. Only the cards that pertain to that region will be shown. Of course, as with all KWare software, you can create and save your own custom list. Since this is a feature common to all KWare software, it is explained in the introduction video along with other features common to all our software. Sessions 13 through 50 have a match game. Since this is a StudyBytes software program, side A of the flashcard is the question and side B is the answer. All the questions and answers for the current session are displayed in a match game. Just like other forms, you can advance forward and back to show other sessions. The current flashcard setting shows side A, then flips to side B. Side A is shown in black lettering and side B in blue. If the setting was to show side B first, then flip to side A, the font colors would be reversed. To match question and answer, click on the first side indicated by the black font column. Then seek to match with the second side or blue font column by clicking on a selection. If you incorrectly match question and answer, an X is displayed. If you correctly match, both question and answer are highlighted with a colored background and they become locked. The match game provides you with an opportunity to track your responses to indicate how well you do. To activate, click the green button above the unmatched total count. As you can see, unmatched attempts are counted next to the appropriate question and a total is shown at the top of the form. Let's continue to match all 15 to show how results are saved and displayed. After matching all, you are now being given the option to save your results. When you choose Yes, several things happen. A graph of unmatched responses is shown on the match form and on the directory. The number of unmatched responses for each question is displayed next to that question on the match form and is also displayed on the card buttons in the card panel of the directory. The session total is displayed on the session button. Your results have been saved. If you go to another session, everything is reset to the new session, which may or may not have its own set of unmatched data recorded. When you return to the session with unmatched counts, information is redisplayed. Now, the advantage of session and card button numbers is to help guide you and focus your study on a specific session or a particular card. To prevent learning the column position of answers, click the Reset button. This will randomly mix column B. To show all answers at once, click the Display Answers. Column B will remix when the display answers are turned off. There is an opportunity to do a time drill. Click on the green button above the timer display to start the clock. The red button to stop the clock, and the white button to reset the clock to 0. To reset the match counts on the current session, click the red dot button. To reset not just the current session, but all session counts, go to the Reset menu on the Session panel of the directory, select Match Count Reset, and Accept. This video has demonstrated features specific to the state's StudyBytes software program. To learn more and see an overview of the other features which are common to all KWare software, please view the introduction video.